2027. How many? Good number. तुम्हें लग रहा है बहुत टाइम है तुम्हारे पास? For getting a normal selection maybe, but to get a good rank. And I tell you, while we are in classes, we are just thinking about selection हो जाए, selection हो जाए, selection हो जाए, कहीं पर भी selection हो जाए. But after you go to academy, after we are in service, then there is a real competition. Which service, which cadre. अच्छा वो रैंक 1, रैंक 2, रैंक जो स्टार्टिंग की सिंगल डिजिट रैंक्स होती हैं या डबल डिजिट रैंक्स होती हैं वो याद रहती हैं, नहीं रहती? सो वी शुड ट्राई समथिंग विच इज गोइंग टू स्टिक विद अस फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम एंड विच बिकम्स पार्ट ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी एंड पार्ट ऑफ योर इंट्रोडक्शन. when we introduce ourselves, what do we say? अरे आप किसी से मिले है ना, हैंडशेक किया. आफ्टर हैंडशेक व्हाट इज योर फर्स्ट इंक्वायरी? नेम. उसके बाद वेयर दे आर, ओके, प्रोफेशन. एंड generally if you have some unique accomplishment, then you are always introduced with that accomplishment. Isn't it true? Arey, you are an accomplished genius. She's a Kerala topper. So isn't it part of the introduction? Immediately, and with that introduction many things you can identify immediately about a person, about their habits and everything, right? So हमें अब जिन्हें 2027 में देना है उन्हें क्या करना है? They have to understand that they don't have much time if they want a good rank. Just a selection or getting into the lull of the period, that's not our aim and criteria. So 2027, let us again start somewhere in May. Prelims, somewhere in August or September mains will happen, right? Before that 2025 के अक्टूबर से हम लोग प्रीलिम्स की फोकस्ड प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. फोकस्ड मतलब 2026 2026 एंड इस सितंबर 2025 तक हमारे पास वो आ चुका होगा उस साल का पेपर. यहां से हम डेडिकेटेड मेंस की तैयारी करेंगे. अब यहां से हमारे पास कितना टाइम बाकी है? अराउंड 2 है ना? अच्छा सॉरी, मैं यहाँ पे फिर से 2026 को गलत लिख दिया. एक सेकेंड. सितंबर, हाँ ठीक तो लिखा था 2025. ये सारा हमारा मेंस की प्रिपरेशन में जाएगा बिकॉज ओनली मेंस प्रिपरेशन गिव्स यू द रैंक. एंड टिल नाउ आफ्टर दिस व्हाट शुड रन? योर फाउंडेशन क्लासेस, revision of your NCERT and your answer writing. Along with this, you should learn to develop certain skills. We will give you certain opportunities to learn certain skills. Develop some life skills, participate in some seminars, some industrial trainings, some short courses. You do that. That will help you develop your personality, develop your profile, and enjoy life also, because it gives us the exposure. So while we keep doing it, we have to remember our primary focus is preparation. So what should your daily schedule look like? What should your daily schedule look like? Morning classes, lunch, your optional classes, most of you have optional classes, evening snacks, after that play, थोड़ा सा खेलो, play, maybe talk on phone with your friends and family. But after you come back, revision class 1, revision class 2, revision optional. इसके बाद सिर्फ न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ोगे और टेस्ट दोगे, उतने में दिन खत्म हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Saturday, Sunday, sometimes you will have Saturdays, sometimes you will not. If you have Saturday, Sunday, then you complete any of the backlog and revise NCERT वाला portion. ठीक है. With all this, at least devote an hour to do MCQs, PYQs, MCQs of any topic, है ना. Supposedly fundamental rights पढ़ा रहे हैं सर, supposedly. देखो, understand like this. From where UPSC will bring questions? From where? From somewhere from the topic itself. If the question has to be made from fundamental rights, it is some aspect of fundamental rights. Either it is it available to the citizens or the aliens, or is it about, does this have this particular word in it? What does it mean? Where does it imply? Any of the aspect of fundamental rights it will be asking. Now supposedly, if fundamental rights, I attempt or I solve and read 300 questions available everywhere, PYQs, test series, tests and random notes. We will bring it here, don't worry, nothing will be left out for you. All the question banks from X book publishing to Z to X institute to Z, I am on it. We'll buy it, we'll keep it in the library. You want, जाओ photocopy कराओ, solve करो. ठीक है. You people want practice? We will start sending it on to your Telegram group. We will form a Telegram group if you people want. WhatsApp, we don't want to flood your official WhatsApp groups. But if you people are wanting कि नहीं मैम हमें questions और practice के लिए चाहिए, you just ask. We have bundles of it. Bundles. No problem with that. आप बोलो मैम इसके दे दो, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के दे दो, पॉवर्टी, तुम्हें जितने चाहिए. If supposedly I solve 300 PYQs or MCQs, can you do that question wrong? तुम चाहो तो भी नहीं कर सकते. तुम्हारी बड़ी इच्छा है कि टॉप नहीं करना. मैं अगर आप इतने क्वेश्चंस कर लेते हो, उसके बाद आप गलत कर ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि योर ऑल कॉन्सेप्ट्स विल गेट क्लियर, यू विल लर्न इट लाइक हार्ट। ABCD कोई भूलता नहीं है, भूल के देखो, गलत करके देखो, एक बार ABCD करके देखो, ट्राई मेकिंग द स्पेलिंग ऑफ कैट रॉन्ग। डिफिकल्ट, अपने नाम की स्पेलिंग गलत लिख के देखो, एफर्ट लगेगा। यू अंडरस्टैंड? इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्रैक्टिस। इट हैज नियरली नथिंग टू डू विद इंटेलिजेंस। I have seen, trust me, and when I'm saying it very truthfully, I have seen a lot of intelligent, talented people who were performing in some test or the other very good, but not consistent enough, not practicing enough, they getting lower ranks or maybe no ranks. But some hard working people, just because of the consistency,